How to make 2021 the best year ever. 2020 has been a year of frustration, fear, and change, leaving many of us feeling stuck, unsure, and unfulfilled. But now it's time to hit the reset button and plan 2021 to make things happen. Because even though we never know what's going to happen or how our circumstances are going to change, the one thing that we always have control over in life is how we react and respond. One of the psychologists explained this. He said we were afraid that the trap was a permanent thing. That's how our mindset and thinking works under stress conditions. Once this virtual mind made jail is sprung, we discover we are free from, say, a relationship or a global pandemic or another major condition. When this happens, there is a sudden release of pent up energy from within, like a tectonic plate releasing ripples of energy under the sea, giving rise to giant tsunami. So, after the fear and uncertainty that we have all had to deal with in 2020, how can we make sure that we show up with this sudden burst of energy in a way that our most fearless selves attract more of what we want in our life in 2021? The sad truth is, although so many of us begin a new year with enthusiasm and vigor as we pursue new ambitions and implement new routines, most of us fall back into our old habits within a few weeks. So let's start this new year 2021 resolutions and plan with me, exploring ourselves in spirit, one which would be a practice that connects you to your essence and source, getting to know yourself at the deepest level. So here are the 7 steps to make this year your best year ever. So the number one step is learning from your past and not repeating. A quote by Edmund Burke. Those who don't know history are doomed to repeat it. There is a popular proverb in our society that goes something like this: forget the past, don't worry about the future, and live in the present. There is truth to this statement. Far too many of us live life defined by the choices we made in the past. This shouldn't be the case. After all, each new day presents an opportunity to become a new person on a new road, destined for a new future. But those who choose to simply forget the past miss out on its fullest potential. There are valuable lessons to be learned from it, and those who choose to ask the right questions about their past are most prepared to live life to the fullest in the present. Consider the lessons we can learn from our past by simply asking the right questions. What are the strengths that define us? What are our weaknesses that frustrate us? What causes are the one that energizes us? What are the relationships that inspire us? Environment that derail us? Pursuits that distract us? And the temptations that trip us. Now the second step to the mastery. Put your goals in writing. Learn how to set goals for 2021 and learn how to execute them as well. Just make sure you grab a pen first. Do you know that you are 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down? Writing your goals down will not only force you to get clear on what exactly it is that you want to accomplish in 2021, but doing so plays an important part in motivating you to complete the task necessary for success. The process of putting your goals on paper will force you to strategize, to ask questions about your current progress, and to brainstorm your plan of attack. Self made millionaires have a special trick. They write their goals down twice a day, once in the morning and then once again at night. So, if you want to start stretching yourself beyond good, mediocre, and average, the way everybody else thinks, then project into your future. The third step to becoming the master of your life in 2021: exercise. Exercise is one thing that most successful people do every day. One thing that most successful people have in common for a growth mindset is an uncompromising attitude about fitness and exercise. Countless successful people, from Fortune 500 CEOs to entrepreneurs and celebrities, have discovered the undeniable connection between fitness and success. So, the five building blocks for success that you can learn through regular exercise is: you build your mental strength and it helps in breaking bad habits. Number one. Number two, it helps build self esteem for a healthier you, inside and out. Number three, you become goal oriented. Number four, you start working the smarter way and not the harder way. Fifth, you always stay on the path. The fourth step to making 2021 an epic year is build new relationships. Why is it important to have a good relationship with others? By building positive relationships with others, we will be happier and more fulfilled and feel more supported, supportive, and connected. Theodore Roosevelt said, the most important single ingredient in the formula of success is knowing how to get along with people. So always try to inculcate the following habits. Number one, ensure that the relationship you have with yourself is a positive one. Second, accept and celebrate the fact that we are all different. Number three, actively listening to hear what other people have to say. Number four, give people time and be present when you are with them. Fifth, develop and work on your communication skills. Sixth, learn to give and take constructive feedback. 7. Open your heart and find the courage to trust. 8. Learn to be more understanding and empathetic. 9. Treat people as you would like to be treated yourself. Now, the fifth step to make 2021 better is to learn new skills for personal development. Before you start to learn new skills, you should know why you need a personal development plan. Most of the time, we nurture aspirations and dreams, yet we rarely stop and think about our future in detail. A personal development plan helps you know where you are headed and how to get there with specifics. First, this will bring clarity to your thinking and you will know exactly where you want to be. Whether you want to learn a new subject, gain a new skill, or just enhance the ones you already have, these top 3 techniques or strategies will give you the framework you need to achieve mastery by creating a proper personal development plan. Number 1 of the top 3 techniques or strategies. Know your learning style and make it more meaningful for yourself. Are you a visual learner, or is your learning style kinesthetic or auditory? Remember all those times when you tried to memorize a formula without understanding their relevance. In order to make your learning stick, it's important to make real life connections and see how it fits in the larger scheme of things. Number 2, learn by doing. We all know practice makes perfect, but why? Because it builds a new permanent neural connection. Please do a research on 10,000 hours rule. Number 3, teach what you learn. The best way to learn and grow is when you teach people what you have learned and spend more time practicing things you find difficult. Now we come to the sixth step to mastering and planning an amazing year in 2021. So the sixth step is make balance a priority. Are you dedicating enough time and energy to the most important aspect of your life, or do you find yourself focusing on one major area at the expense of the others? With the pressure of today's demanding and high-paced world, most people struggle to find a reasonable balance. We can easily be drawn away from our priorities when one aspect of our life consumes the bulk of our time. To a larger extent, it is much like walking on a tightrope. When we drift too much in one direction or the other, we become unbalanced introspect and determine your priorities. Establish and execute an implementation plan for each priority. Evaluate your progress and, most important of all, allow yourself time each day to center yourself. Stephen Covey said, the key is not to prioritize what on your schedule, but to schedule your priority. Now we are on the last step to mastery. The seventh step is hold yourself accountable. Researchers have discovered something called as optimal anxiety theory. When studying mice performance, it turned out that neither being relaxed nor being under a lot of pressure maximizes productivity. Whatever job we are going to perform has to be new and attainable, yet neither boring nor impossible. So, these are the four key steps to being more productive that you can instill on your own in 2021 and make 2021 an epic year. Find somebody you can be accountable to. Number one. Number two, build momentum. Start with a small task like making your bed to build up confidence. Each time you complete something, tackle a slightly larger task, building up speed like a flywheel. Number three, find your tribe. Find people on the same path and get along with them. It helps a lot. Number four, report your status. Learn to keep a bullet journal. This 2021, set up a journal. If self transformation does not work for you, you might be best off hiring a company, consultant, or a coach to make sure you get things done, as they will probably pay for themselves. After all, hiring someone to help you is way less expensive than the emotional burden of knowing you did not get things done. Learn these 7 steps to make 2021 your best year ever. This year, leave no leaf unturned.